Hello, just got back from FOSDEM. I have this voice from FOSDEM, talking too much and drinking too much beer probably too. So I just wanted to show you this award thing that I brought back, right? So this is how it looks like in real life. You, my name, blah blah blah, the award, some kind of well, it looks like glass, but it's some kind of plastic, I think. Pretty nice actually, big. I need to work on finding a place of where to put it, because of course I need to show it off to everyone who would come here. Not that many people ever come here, but you know, my kids, they will love this. No, they won't. Okay, I just wanted to show you. This is what it is. Fun, yes. Highly recommended. You should try out too. Awards are great. Bye.